शाम के 5:30 और आज 11 तारीख। तो आज हम 11 मिनट पढ़ाई करेंगे। मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम also known as mobile OS are a type of embedded operating system. Just like other computer system, mobile computer including smartphones, tablet and wearable picture require an operating system. These mobile operating systems are less complicated and more specialized for wireless communication. While there are numerous mobile operating systems, some of the best are known Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. Android was introduced in 2007. It was originally developed by Android Inc. and later purchased by Google. Android is widely used in many of today's software. The latest version of Android is Android P or Android Pie. iOS, formerly known as iPhone OS, was originally developed in 2007 by Apple. It is based on Mac OS and it is used as the platform for Apple's iPod and iPhone. The latest iOS version is iOS 12. Windows 7 was released in 2010. And after several updates, Microsoft released Windows Phone 7.8 in 2013. 2012 Windows Phone 8 was released. Windows 10 Mobile was introduced in 2015 by Microsoft to support a variety of mobile devices, including smartphone and tablet. It has all ability to run many powerful programs designed for desktop and laptop computers. Privacy. Most smartphone operating systems include a virtual assistant like Apple, Siri, Google Assistants that scan your personal information such as calendar event, email, text messages, and GPS location to anticipate your need and help organize your life. However, most use of this complex program are unaware that they copy and transfer data from text, email, and GPS back to company servers. Should your operating system be gathering and sharing this data? Who should be charged of what data gathered and how it is stored? In the last chapter, we discussed that not all mobile applications will run on smartphones. That is because app is designed to run on a particular software platform or operating system. Before downloading an app, be sure that designed to run with the mobile operating system on your mobile devices. Desktop operating system. Every personal computer has an operating system controlling its operation. That most widely used desktop operating system are Windows, Mac OS, Unix, and Linux. Windows. Microsoft Windows is the most widely used personal computer operating system because its market share is so large. More application programs have been developed to run under Windows than any other operating system. Windows comes in variety of different versions and is designed to run with a variety of different microprocessors. The three recent versions are Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Windows 7 operating system was made available by Microsoft toward the end of 2009. Since Windows Vista. The earlier operating system from Microsoft was criticized by many people. Windows 7 was designed to replace it. Now, libraries and file sharing capability were added in this operating system. Windows 7 was well received by users. Its performance was also found to be very good as compared to Vista. Windows 10 was announced in 2015. It merged Windows desktop and mobile operating system. Unlike previous Windows version, Windows 10 runs on all Windows devices, including desktop, tablet, and smartphone. This unification has brought several mobile OS innovations on the desktop OS, including Cortana. This unification has brought several mobile OS innovations to desktop OS, including Cortana. A digital assistant that can accept commands, thought, text or speech, and Windows apps such as Office that can run on desktop, tablet, and smartphones. Other innovations include improved gaming with the Xbox gaming environment, a new web browser, and support for Microsoft HoloLens and augmented reality tool. Gives a brief description of Microsoft desktop operating system. Name Windows 7. Windows 7 most commonly used OS, gives greater functionality of communication, multimedia, and security. It's used 3D graphics and high-end visual effects. Windows 10. Microsoft's latest operating system is enabled with 3D image and hologram projective and comes with the improved efficiency and great speed for social gaming. Mac OS. Apple has been the leader in the development of powerful and easy to use personal computer operating system since its introducing of the Macintosh personal computer in 1984. Designed to run only with the Apple computers. Mac OS is not as widely used as Windows operating system. As a result, application programs have been written for it. However, with increasing sales of Apple computers, the use of Mac OS has been rapidly increased and it is widely recognized as one of the most innovative operating systems. Mac OS X is the most widely used desktop operating system. 3 recent versions are mentioned below. Mac OS Sierra, which was announced in 2016 and introduced several improvements, including new advanced utilities, improved integration with the iOS devices, and better integration with cloud computing. Mac OS High Sierra, which was announced in 2017, it provides a new live system for faster, more secure data storage, improved video compression, and virtual reality support. The update include improvement to Apple applications such as Internet Browser, Safari, and the photo application Photos. Mac OS Mojave. Mac OS Mojave is the 15th release of Mac OS, which was announced in 2018. Its name is based on Mojave Desert. Unix and Linux. The Unix operating system was originally designed in the late 1960s to run mini computers in network environment. Over the years, Unix has involved with the numerous different versions. Now, it is widely used by servers on the web, mainframe computer, and very powerful personal computer. There are large number of different versions of Unix. Linux is the operating system that extends one of the Unix version. It is originally developed by graduate students at the University of Helsinki. Linux told Bard in 1930 he allowed free distribution to operating system code and encouraged others to modify and further develop the code. Program released in the way are called open source. Linux is the popular and powerful alternative to the Windows operating system. Linux has been basis of the several other operating systems. For example, Google's Chrome OS is based on Linux. Chrome OS integrates with the web servers to run applications and to perform other traditional operating system functions. This capability has made Chrome OS a popular choice for inexpensive notebook computers that use cloud computing and cloud storage that would normally require expensive hardware. One limitation of this computer is that their efficiency is dependent upon the speed of their internet connection. Virtualization. As we have discussed, application programs are designed to run with a particular operating system. What if you wanted to run two or more applications, each requiring a different operating system? One solution would be install each of the operating system on a different computer. There is, however, a way in which a single physical computer can support multiple operating systems independently. This approach is called visualization. When a single physical computer runs a special program known as visualization software, it operates as thought it were two or more separate and independent computers known as virtual machine. Each virtual machine appears to the users as a separate independent computer with its own operating system. The operating system of the physical machine is known as the host operating system. This operating system for each virtual machine is known as the guest operating system. Users can readily switch between virtual computer and program running on them. There are several programs that create and run virtual machine. One such program, visualization, allows you to create a virtual machine that can run Windows and Windows app for within the Mac OS itself. इसको कल खत्म करेंगे डे 12 में.